In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to use Freelancer tools to set and track goals efficiently. Whether you're a freelancer or managing a small business, goal setting and tracking are critical to your success. Stick around, because I'm going to share some insights on a tool that could streamline your process and boost productivity. Let's dive in. First, start by choosing the right software. There are a lot of options out there, but I've tested some of the most popular freelancer tools, and I'll give you a recommendation for one that really stands out. The software we'll be using in this tutorial offers a simple yet effective goal-setting framework that's easy to follow. Once you've signed up and logged in, the first step is to set clear, measurable goals. This is key. In the software, go to the Goals section and create a new goal. You'll want to give it a specific title, like Complete Client Project by end of month or Reach 20 new leads. The key here is making your goals actionable and time-bound. Next, break those goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. Let's say your goal is to finish a project by the end of the month. Break it down into smaller chunks like complete research, write draft, finalize design, and so on. In the software, you can assign due dates and even add priority levels for each task to stay focused. Now it's time to track your progress. With the software's built-in tracking features, you can see your tasks in real time, showing you exactly where you stand. It's as simple as checking off completed tasks. You'll see your progress visually with completion bars or percentage trackers, which is great for motivation. Another great feature of this software is the ability to sync goals with your calendar. This helps you stay on top of deadlines and set reminders to keep you accountable. Make sure you regularly update your progress so you can see how close you are to completing your goals. And remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to check your goals daily. It's easy to get sidetracked, but checking in daily will keep you on track and allow you to adjust if needed. If you want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you. There's a free trial of the software we've been using, available only to viewers of my channel. You'll find the link in the description below. Trust me, this software will change how you track your goals, so be sure to take advantage of the offer. The key takeaway from today: goal setting isn't just about having a to-do list, it's about creating clear, actionable steps and using the right tools to track your progress. Break your big goals into smaller tasks, track them daily, and adjust as needed. Quick recap: choose the right software, set clear goals, break them down into tasks, track your progress, and sync with your calendar for accountability. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.